All right, it's about 10:20. I'm going to call it a day. I could actually continue working out here. It's not that hot, and I've got the cooler. But the yellow bike is sitting here with the forks draining. Caps are off. I'll let it drain overnight, drip, 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 and put fresh oil in it tomorrow morning, and then take it off and park it while I wait for the new brakes and wheel bearing. So that's what's going to happen with the yellow bike. Now, in the meantime, I'm walking around over here looking at the green goddess, and lo and behold, look down here. Oh my. The little drop I'm not too worried about, but that other one is right over there under the left-hand side of the bike. And don't you know? So I'm not going to mess with it now. I'll put it on the lift tomorrow morning. But what I'll do tonight in the dark, I will come out here with a black light and try to trace that drip back to its source. They always, 99% of the drips on these bikes show up on the left side of the bike when the bike sits on the side stand, because gravity takes them from way over on the right all the way across the engine and drops them off on the left side. So you really can't start looking around the left side. You can start at the left side and try to trail the trail back to the source. Now, we haven't ridden this bike in a long time, but I did start it day before yesterday, I think it was. And maybe it just needs to run and sling some oil. If so, that could be fun finding. So anyway, tonight in the dark, I'll come out here and try to find the source of this leak. And the fun just never stops.